I walked through the vendor field. I came across an old friend of mine, Topher. Many people know him as the Headlight Motor Man. In the Mopar community, this is the man you want to send your electrical motors to and any other electrical doodads and things you might need fixed up on your car, because if anybody can fix it, he can.
Thank you very much.
Topher, it's great to see you again. Why don't you tell me about some of the things you got going on here? I see you got some new items out since I've had anything done with you.
Restored the wiper motors, the 3 speeds, 2 speeds, from early 60s on up to mid 70s. We also have some gauge pod here for a 66 Charger.
Now this is something new. You've just started doing these recently,
Yes.
haven't you?
Yes, this is the first set for a customer in Australia.
Wow.
It's a
See,
nice
Australia,
looking
the man is known worldwide, not just locally.
set. It's a nice set. They look good, and we're going to have years of no issues
Yeah.
with the gauges.
Yeah, we know the early Charger gauges were something special from the factory, but this setup these are all aftermarket gauges, correct?
Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
So you're kind of eliminating that shock factor you get when you're trying to work on these things.
Absolutely. Parts will be available, send use available, and no issue.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, that's a great looking unit. For anybody that's got a driver, older Charger, that's something you might want to consider doing with the car. That's a really nice upgraded piece. Your wiper motors are second to none in the industry. I've used several of them on some restorations that I've done in the past. Any news on anything new coming out with any of these products? Or
The only thing I've got coming is an electric motor replacement for 68 and 69 Charger.
oh, there you go, guys.
You want to have trouble-free issues, give me a couple months.
Yeah, because those vacuum systems, they work when they want to.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right, well, Topher, it was great seeing you again. Good luck with everything you got going on.
Thanks, sir.